You're driving and music fills your car. You get home and heat up leftovers in seconds. You've just used two different parts of an invisible world that constantly surrounds us, the electromagnetic spectrum. It's a vast continuum of energy, encompassing everything from radio waves to gamma rays. All these waves travel at the same incredible speed, the speed of light. But they differ in one key way, their energy, which is determined by their frequency. Think of it as a journey from low to high energy. We start with radio waves, the longest and most leisurely of the bunch. They carry our broadcasts and communications across huge distances. Next up are microwaves with more energy, perfect for vibrating the water molecules in your food to heat it up, or for radar systems to see through clouds. Then there's infrared, the radiation we feel as heat. It's the invisible light that thermal cameras use to see in the dark, and the signal from your TV remote. We then arrive at a tiny, crucial sliver, visible light. This is the only part of the entire spectrum our eyes can perceive, the familiar rainbow of colors. But just beyond what we can see lies ultraviolet light. With higher energy, it's what gives you a sunburn, but can also be used to sterilize medical tools. Pushing further, we find X-rays, energetic enough to pass through skin and muscle, giving doctors a look at our bones. And at the far end of the spectrum, with the highest energy and shortest wavelengths, are gamma rays. Born from nuclear reactions, they are so powerful they can be focused with precision to destroy cancer cells. From a simple radio broadcast to life-saving medical treatments, it's all just light, behaving differently based on its energy. This invisible spectrum is the fundamental language of our universe, shaping our technology and our understanding of the cosmos itself.